Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the KaisiKing and it's the KX2002 and these are two pieces of heavy duty suction screen suction cups. And of course these for phone and computer repair tools. Now if you have ever opened a computer screen or done a screen replacement, one of the most difficult parts is when you need to separate the glue that holds the screen in place. All right, so this particular product would actually be placed against the screen. So you'll place it on the screen and then heat the screen, and then when you'll need to lift, if those flimsy ones that comes in most packages, they tend to break easily, meaning as soon as you pull against them, they are so light that the screen doesn't actually separate and it loosens from the screen. So you need something more heavy duty. All right, so the basic phone opening ones don't really work. There are some more heavy duty ones, but just in case you're getting to phone repair, you can actually use this. As you can see here, there's a demonstration how to use it. So it says basically to put the suction cup on the screen and press the tab. And of course the rubber and the screen get together nicely to pull the tab. So of course, as you see, it's what allows you to lift the screen. Now you first heat the glue and then separate the screen, or actually separate the screen enough that you can actually use something in between to actually open up those devices. That applies to your iPhone, your Samsungs. All right, so here again you can see the product, a breakdown of it. You can pause and read that information. This is the usage method here, and you can see the product again in detail. There's the branding. All right, the box is a little beat up, that's not a problem. And this is a simple product. I just simply want to show these off just in case you were thinking about purchasing these or investing in a few of these. All right, so it was nice enough to come with two. And of course you can see that this is really heavy duty. All right, so I bought this with my own money, and this is for some future phone, tablet repairs, you name it. So you can see here that this will attach here. Now the thing I like about this is how thick this rubber is compared to most sets that comes with some really flimsy rubbers. I'll try to show you what a standard set looks like. All right, so this is what a standard set would look like right here. And as you can see, most phone repair toolkits or toolkits in general will include one of these. The problem with this is that it's not very powerful, and sometimes the glue is very not that you want to break the screen, but you need a little bit more force, and these will easily separate. And as you can see, they're easily warped. Now check out the difference between these guys. This is very thick, so you know this will get onto the screen. And of course, like the color, and you see the branding there. All right, so as you can see here, this releases the mechanism, and then once you place this onto the screen, you simply press, and that would give you the suction effect, and then you would hold and pull. So as you can see here, I get two of these. You could use this in cases where you're even placing a screen on. All right, but the main thing is to open a screen. All right, so I got these for phone repairs mainly and tablets. So as you can hear, that's a powerful suction. And as I said, these are probably medium duty. And the only thing would be better would be a hardened tool that's built out of like solid cast iron. But this will do the job in most cases. And you'll only need one of those cast iron ones if you're doing like hundreds and thousands of repairs. So for your home use, I suggest you get a few of these, and I'm just showing them off. All right, so like the build quality, like the thickness of the rubber. So great upgrade from this to this. So if you need to open up devices, these are just perfect. So look at this compared to this. So I could easily separate any phone comfortably using one of these. All right, so this is about 2 inches wide, and of course by another 2 inches, and the suction is very powerful. You can see the heavy metal right here, the thickness of the plastic, so you know this is really high quality. All right, so these are very high quality. Again, I give this easily and I cannot attest to it until I fully test it, so at first glance I'd probably give these like a 9.5 out of 10. And of course I like this because of the plastic. The only thing could be better if this was totally metal. And of course the looks very very good, and I can see these will work very nicely as well. All right, so I'll put them in the description in case you need these for a phone repair toolkit, or if you just want to check them out before actually purchasing them. All right, so I do hope you like these, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.